First, click AI pattern on the right. Choose the color scheme. Now, we enter the color scheme page. Click Upload to upload the original image from your local device. After the image is uploaded, you can click Recommended or Directional. Here we will demonstrate the pattern in recommended color scheme. Click Intelligent Generation. Recommended color scheme is an AI-generated color palette. Let's view the details of the generated image. You can save, download, or perform other actions with this pattern. Let's compare it with the original image. You can zoom in to view more details. If you like the pattern, click Favorites to add it to My Favorites for easy access later. If you want a more personalized color scheme, you can choose Directional. It includes many trend colors to choose from. You can select a maximum of 5 colors. Here I choose Seafoam and light yellow. Next, select the desired color depth. Deeper tones will have higher color intensity. Similarly, click on Intelligent Generation. You will then get a personalized colored pattern. Let's compare it with the original image again. We can see that the color scheme of the flowers and other details have all changed. You can also add it to favorites for easy viewing. All the images you add to favorites will be saved here. Click My Favorites to view all the images you have liked.